In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. By the end, you'll have the WooCommerce plugin added to your site and ready for setup, so you can start turning your WordPress website into a fully functional store. First, open your WordPress website and head into the dashboard. This is the control center where you manage everything on your site. On the left-hand menu, look for plugins. This is where all extensions live. Click Plugins to open the Plugins page so you can manage what's installed on your site. Next, click Add New at the top of the page. This takes you to the plugin directory inside your dashboard, which is the safest place to find and install trusted plugins. In the search bar on the right, type WooCommerce. After a moment, you'll see results appear. Look for the official WooCommerce plugin by Automatic. You'll usually recognize it by the purple icon and a very high number of active installations and positive reviews. This helps you confirm you're installing the right one. Click the Install Now button. Give it a moment to download and install. While it's installing, avoid refreshing the page. Just let WordPress complete the process. Once the button changes to Activate, click Activate. Activation switches the plugin on and connects it to your site's features. Right after activation, WooCommerce will launch a guided setup to help you get started. This setup is designed to walk you through the essentials, like basic store details, and it can help you connect recommended features. If you're not ready to finalize anything, don't worry. WooCommerce lets you revisit or adjust these choices later from its settings. Keep in mind that the goal here is to lay the groundwork. You're not committing to anything permanent during the initial walkthrough. When the setup finishes, feel free to explore the plugin. You'll notice a new WooCommerce section in your WordPress menu, along with areas for products, orders, and reports. Take a moment to get familiar with what's available. Exploring now will help you understand where things live and how to manage your store more efficiently later. If you ever need to revisit setup suggestions or add more features, you can do that from the WooCommerce settings at any time. A few quick tips as you explore. Make sure you keep your plugins updated for security and performance. Verify that your theme supports WooCommerce for the best display, and only install extensions you truly need to keep your site running smoothly. That's it. Your WooCommerce plugin is installed, activated, and ready for you to explore. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your store.